Right, what I want you to do is go ahead and start or restart your application. And I want to show you something. So there we go. And if I scroll up, I want you to see something. So in here, have a look. So no profile set, falling back to default properties, and then default. So basically the default properties that the application is using is this one here. So if I just put this smaller, so it's this one, the one which is pointing to our local database instance running on Docker, right? So this one, application.properties. Now, if we want to run the application using a different profile, i.e. application-dev properties, we can do this in various different ways, and I've covered this in my Spring Boot Masterclass course. But here, let me show you one way that we can run this, and this will help us to change our Docker compose YAML to reflect the same change. But in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the application. So here I'm going to stop, and in here, click on this button and then edit configurations. And here, what I want you to do is to set an environment variable. So here, say spring underscore profiles underscore active equals and then dev. So this dev right here, and if I apply, so dev must match this dev in here. So if you've named this something else, then that will be the name of your profile. Now, if I run the application, you should see that it will pick dev, but now this will fail. So have a look. So you can see that it did fail, and this is because it can't connect to the database. So here, so connection attempt failed in here. And if I scroll up all the way to the top, there we go. That was too much log. But in here, you can see that the following profiles are active and then dev. So this is actually picking this property file in here. So this is cool. So now we are pointing to the right database. We can go and deploy our application using this environment variable right here. So next, let me go ahead and show you one extra step that we have to do in order to have the application successfully deployed.